So we are having these particular statements that is drawn along with the distribution line. If you have overhead, then you may have neutral conductor. Neutral conductor for particularly LV system, that should be provided as a return conductor to the lighting system also. Then you must have switch time, which should be used for controlling these treatments. You must have grouping of some number of lights, and you may have switch provided over there. You must have switch and fuse unit also. It is to be provided for protection of the lamp circuit. Then you must have fuse unit that should be installed particularly on pole at safe distance from the ground, because of it will not cause any disturbance to the traffic or persons or even operating persons also. Okay, then basic requirement as far as the street lighting is concerned, we are having particularly there should not be glare, what I told you, that is what means dark spots. There should not be dark spots, that is uniform illumination, that must be there. Object shall be clearly visible, that is what, up to 40 meter from the point of observation, or object shall be clearly visible up to 40 meter to the car vehicle drivers. So normally car vehicle means any vehicle drivers. He should able to see up to 40 meters. So illumination level must be like this. Then road and the background, that is to be illuminated against the objects of the road. So objects are viewed by contrast. Okay. Then location of lamp, types, surfaces of road, light distribution on road, etc. Also very important factors. Particularly the location of the road, it is in which area the road is located, what type of road, it is highway, it is an internal road, it is main bazaar road, it is a historical place road. So what depends upon that. Surface of how a road is, it is concrete road, it is a star road, it is a rough road, it is a what we can say rough sadak, like this, any like these things, it depends upon that. Also the scheme depends. Then particularly the distribution also depends. Then lamp, particularly we must use less lamp power or lower wattage power lamp, but you must have the sufficient illumination. So you can have the LED options as on we are going for this. Objects on street or on road get lesser incident light, which is normally seen by the viewer and appear to dark against the illuminated road and background. So this should not happen. So object that you must have clear on the road. If you have sufficient illumination, then it is possible. Okay. Then location of the lamp and their advantages. So central mounted. So you may have the central mounting system on road, particularly the poles. So two lamps back to back, so you can have the position. They are especially used for the wide road, where the roads are provided with divider, and this is economical. Then opposite mounting. Then you may have superior to other metal uniform illumination. Means opposite mounting means you may have side by side. You may have instead of back to back, you may have two poles. The ends of the light will be opposite to each other. So normally uniform illumination on the road surface used for very wide roads. Then lamps on alternate columns on the opposite side for the central street. Then this is suitable up to 15 meter wide roads. Then single side mounted road for bends with the radius of less than 75 into height of the mounting. So that particularly you can decide. Bends for the particular lamp, and this is not for street, but you can have side mounted or particularly small, very small roads. So you may have locations and lamps and their advantages as far as the different street lights are concerned. So let us see various types of lamps mounting. What we can see the advantages. We can have some pictures also with us. You can see the various street lights. As I don't know how much you have seen the pictures of street light. So this is particularly the opposite structure. First one what we have, different types of street lights. Okay. So this street light is luminescent lighting scheme which is used on roads, street, public areas. It is usually starts to shine light or in the dark and goes out after dawn. The basic function of street lamp is illumination. It can be applied, that is over. It can be means you don't require any such thing, landmarks. I told you luminaries, average illumination and all this. Okay. This is the older street light. Earlier days we were having different. There are many activities involved in creating light. So in old days we were having the street lights. Before street light, what was the particular way of illuminating before electricity? माहिती आहे का तुम्हाला? लाईट नव्हती तेव्हा स्ट्रीट लाईट काय होतं? स्ट्रीट लाईट होती की नव्हती? आर यू विथ मी? कसला फायर? नॉर्मली ती पेट्रोमॅक्स लॅम्प्स किंवा त्याच्या आधी आपण केरोसिन बेस्ड लॅम्प्स दे वेर यूज, त्याला कंदील वगैरे आपण म्हणतो, कंदील वगैरे. सो यू मे हॅव दी covering and you may have the lights. Basic aim was to reduce the crime. It was the earlier. आता आपल्याला ट्रॅफिक हा मेजर मुद्दा आपण घेतलेला आहे. रिड्यूस द रिस्क ऑफ ऍक्सिडेंट्स हा आताचा मुद्दा आहे, पण पूर्वीच्या काळामध्ये तो जो मुद्दा होता दॅट वॉज टू रिड्यूस द क्राईम बिकॉज ऑफ to avoid the thefts. So this such type of, this is electric lamp, but such type of kandil normally earlier days they were used. So these are different illumination. You can have the illumination, street light illumination. Different street light illumination schemes you can have. So So you must have the idea what is exactly street light and why it is required. Okay. What is the purpose especially? How many of you have seen the basics of the basic street light schemes? तुम्ही बघितलेत का स्कीम्स? कुठल्या बघितलेल्या आहेत? So metal halide, sodium vapor, then you are having the low pressure sodium, high pressure sodium, mercury vapors. Have you seen such type of lamps? So these are the street light lamps. Various street light lamps. Can you see the diagram? Earlier we were having incandescent lamps, tungsten filament, halogen lamps. Then we are having the discharge lamps, gas pressure lamps. So high pressure lamp, sodium vapor, mercury vapor. Low pressure lamp, sodium vapor, mercury vapor. So mercury vapor, fluorescent, sodium vapor, mercury and sodium. Sodium means you are having yellow light. Mercury means you are having white light. Metal halide lamps. And now we are having the option LED. So keep in mind. So all these particular, हे सगळे जे इकडचे हे चित्र आहे, now it is driven towards the LED. Now we are having the LED lamps. Okay. Yeah, we are having one more concept in street light. So this is what? This is one more. What is this concept? Solar street light. Solar street light is also our new concept as on. So it comes along with the pole, photovoltaic cell, this charging assembly. You must know all this. So सगळ्या diagram may be there in your book or may not be there. So you can see. So this is what you are having this, particularly the battery. Then you are having the control circuit. This is control circuit. You are having the DC. You are having storage, charging of battery. Then AC converted. Then given to the lamp. So LED lamp. So this is what the future. You must be having the street light. Okay. So you are having the, when you are having no electricity, or the places where you don't have electricity, or it is not possible, or it is not economically possible to provide the electricity, you can have the solar street lights. Even also, if you have the major schemes of energy conservation, in cities also you can provide solar street lights, no doubt. Right? When you are having these lamps, you know, different lamps. I think you have studied major lamps, no doubt. So these lamps, fluorescent tube lights, different sizes, compact fluorescent lamp, globe type lamp, fluorescent tube light, fluorescent lamp, incandescent lamp, tungsten halogen filament lamp, high pressure mercury vapor lamps. प्रत्येकाची characteristics. Now you have already studied this. आणि जर नसेल तर you may go through this. What is high pressure metal halide lamps? What is high pressure sodium vapor lamp? You go through this. You must know about the lamps also. You should be able to select a proper lamp.